Okay, so we're on that street right there called Rua de Pedro Coutinho. That goes all the way down to a cemetery. There's McDonald's right there. That's kind of cool, that space. And we're going to be going all the way down that way, straight as far down as we can. And we're kind of on this main street right here. So we got a giant McDonald's, and it's kind of a main one that goes all the way down. And I'm also with my son right here. All right, let's do it. So we are going to go down Pedro Coutinho. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so this is Rua Pedro Coutinho, and we got that kind of cool McDonald's. And I used to live up in one of these apartments, but I was on the other side, but it looked like that. So that's this is actually my old street when I first came to Macau. And what we're gonna do is walk across the street. That goes through a tunnel way over there. And we are gonna go across this way. I remember when the typhoon hit, some of those trees went down, and it was quite devastating. Let's try to get across here first, and I'll explain that too. But yeah, there's some of these big trees, they fell down into the road, and there was so much devastation in the typhoon that that took a long time for them to there was so many trees that were down, like all over the entire city. This was 2017 in Hato, so I kind of remember that road because I used to spend a lot more time up here. Okay, so we're gonna be walking down Coutinho. Let's go down like that. Yeah, these are kind of interesting because when I look at these, I see like all these little balconies, you know, that I think are kind of interesting. And we're gonna walk on down. We got some boutique shops coming up here too, plus some interesting stuff for like breakfast kind of places. And I think there's a hotel coming up on here. Did we pass it already? I think we might have just passed it, but okay, so the next block over, we're gonna get this kind of green building, but there's some boutique shops just past it. So we are definitely gonna see that in a moment. That green building looks kind of cool though, looks interesting. So yeah, that looks really interesting. We keep on walking down. But then yeah, some of these balconies right here I think are so interesting. Especially these, because you can like throw an entire couch on there, which is one of these days I'm going to live in a flat. I can throw a couch out on the balcony. I just think it would look so cool. There's a little artisan, French artisan fleuriste, France, with a bunch of flowers there. And then there's a nice boutique shop right here too. With some nice artwork. It says Athena. Kind of really like that. I think it's beautiful. Okay, so we have to I don't want to yell for my boy, but he's way up there. Yeah, like these kind of balconies I just think are so cool. All of those. Okay, good, he's looking back. All right. Yeah. Sugar-free, low carb. So we're on Target Street, Pedro Coutinho. We're gonna come up to an intersection here, and of course we got interesting stuff every direction here. Got those corners, these corners. Huh, that one's called the Mushroom. It's kind of interesting name. So we started down there, but we're not very far into it. So I think what we're gonna do is go up a little bit more. See if we can get through this spot. Okay, good. So we're still on Pedro Coutinho right here. That's basically, so we're basically kind of in this dense area of Macau. I think this street actually changes. So that's actually the end of the street. So we're just gonna go across real quick and we'll just, so yeah, that's called Travessa do Ultramar. We're actually not gonna walk. There's a plan to go up it. Because actually that's the end of that street. There's some kind of cool stuff though. Like that looks kind of interesting. But anyways, I guess that's gonna be our street. And we're on a totally different street now. And it's kind of short. Want to come over here for a second? All right, 5. So we did it. We did a kind of a short street, but it was good, right? Yeah. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah.